Sarah, we need to take a picture. Take a picture of us. Show it to us. Come bring it.
Let's look at it. Let me get it back.
Oh, that's good.
Good job.
Pretty good, huh? Yeah.
Can we try
it again?
Mommy, Daddy. Look, it's for your house.
Okay,
That's
you got our house.
Yeah. Try and get us.
Mama and Daddy and Maggie. Look, it's what I use.
Oh, you got daddy shoes.
Right. That might work. You think you might have got it?
Let's see.
Let's see. Show us.
Let's see, baby.
We gotta see it.
Oh.
Sarah Jane. Let's see.
Hold on.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
Nice job.
Okay, I think we took enough, okay?
Okay.
All right. Say bye-bye.